Well, hello there. Jay Leno here, and if you know me, you know I've spent my life around cars of every shape and size. I've driven everything from steam cars to jet-powered beasts, and let me tell you, the world of cars is always changing. But right now, something big is happening on our roads, something you can't ignore. The electric SUV is taking over, and it's not just a passing trend, it's a full-blown revolution that's reshaping how we think about driving. Remember when electric cars were quirky science projects, more curiosity than car? Those days are long gone. Now, they're the new family classic, practical, reliable, and ready for anything life throws your way. SUVs have always been about space, safety, and versatility, but let's face it, they guzzled gas and left a big carbon footprint. Electric power has changed the game. Now you get all the practicality, but with a silent, smooth, and incredibly responsive drive that feels futuristic. Automakers everywhere are pouring billions into electric SUVs because drivers want utility without the guilt of emissions. It's a race to build the best, cleanest, and most exciting vehicles on the road. These vehicles are packed with the latest tech, style, and performance. Touchscreens, smart features, and head-turning designs. Instant torque used to be for sports cars. Now it's in your family hauler, making every drive a thrill. You can do the school run, the weekly shop, and a weekend getaway, all in one car, with room to spare and zero tailpipe emissions. It's the best of both worlds, practical, powerful, and pointing to a new era where adventure and responsibility go hand in hand. The electric SUV is the 21st century station wagon, only cooler, smarter, and way more fun to drive. We're witnessing a shift as big as any in automotive history, a transformation you can see every day on the streets. It's not just about saving fuel, it's about redefining what a family car can be and making memories along the way. The electric SUV is here, and it's a fun ride, one that's changing the way we move, for good. Buckle up. This is just the beginning, and the road ahead looks electrifying.
Charging is about to get a massive upgrade. By 2026, ultra-fast chargers, 350 kilowatt and up, will be everywhere. Add 200 miles in 15 minutes, and road trips will feel just like gas stops. The North American charging standard will simplify plugs and payment. No more adapters or juggling apps. Plug and charge tech will make charging seamless. Just plug in and go. More Level 2 chargers will pop up at workplaces, stores, and apartments, making daily top-ups easy. Rural areas will see more investment, closing the urban-rural gap. Charging stations will get smarter, syncing with the grid and even letting your car sell power back. Expect better designed, well-lit charging hubs with real amenities. By 2026, charging anxiety will be a thing of the past. Plug in anywhere, anytime. There you have it, 5 exciting trends that will define electric cars in 2026 and beyond. From solid-state batteries and smarter autonomy to true sustainability, greater variety, and seamless charging, the future is truly electric and full of promise. The era of compromise is over. EVs are about to surpass gas cars in every way, setting new standards for performance. Which trend excites you the most about the future of electric vehicles? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe for more updates on the future of tech and cars. Don't miss out. Thanks for watching. See you next time for more electrifying content. Let me know if you need further tightening or... Alright, let's talk cars. Not just any cars, but the ones everyone seems to be talking about lately. Electric vehicles, or EVs. You've probably seen them zipping quietly down your street, or maybe you've even considered driving one yourself. But what's really behind all this excitement? For over a century, the soundtrack of our streets has been the rumble of petrol engines, the growl, the roar, the unmistakable smell of gasoline. These have defined the driving experience for generations. But now, there's a new sound, or rather, a lack of one. The quiet hum of electric vehicles is taking over, replacing the old symphony of combustion with something almost futuristic. It's a subtle shift, but it's changing the way our cities sound and feel. These aren't your granddad's golf carts. Today's electric cars are fast, stylish, and packed with cutting-edge technology. They're designed to turn heads and challenge everything you thought you knew about driving. Today's EVs are sleek, powerful, and everywhere, from family SUVs to city hatchbacks. There's an electric option for almost every lifestyle, whether you're hauling kids to school or commuting across town. This isn't a passing fad. It's the biggest shift in personal transport since the assembly line. More and more people are making the switch, and automakers are racing to keep up with demand. So, what's an electric car? At its core, it's simple. A big battery, one or more electric motors, and you plug it in to charge, just like your phone or laptop. No more trips to the gas station, just a simple connection at home or at a public charging point. Press the accelerator, and electricity flows from the battery to the motor. No explosions, no complicated gears, just instant power at your feet. No exhaust, no oil changes, and far fewer moving parts to worry about. Maintenance is simpler, and your hands and the air stay a lot cleaner. Why does this matter? Because we're all trying to be smarter about our planet, and EVs offer a cleaner, more sustainable way to drive. They help reduce air pollution and our reliance on fossil fuels, making a real difference for future generations. Recycled ocean plastics are redefining luxury interiors, like Porsche's eco-suede in the Taycan. Plastic waste is collected, cleaned, and spun into premium, suede-like fabric. The result, soft, durable, and sporty material that feels as good as it looks. It's grippy, breathable, and meets the highest quality standards. This innovation cleans up oceans and reduces carbon footprints. Sustainability and luxury now go hand in hand. The story behind the material is part of its value. The future of luxury is beautiful, high-performing, and ethical. Bentley is pioneering mycelium-based bio-leather, grown from mushroom roots, not animals. Mycelium is cultivated, processed, and finished to look and feel like premium leather. It's animal-free, efficient, and has a fraction of the environmental impact of traditional leather. The result is versatile, luxurious, and sustainable, perfect for Bentley's legendary interiors. Mycelium bio-leather is a revolutionary step for ultra-luxury brands. It's the future of opulent, guilt-free interiors. Lab-grown luxury is here. Mercedes EQS SUV floor mats are made from Econol, yarn spun from reclaimed fishing nets. Ghost nets are recovered from oceans, regenerated into high-quality nylon, and woven into premium carpeting. The result is tough, stain-resistant, and indistinguishable from traditional materials. Every step into the car is a step toward cleaner oceans. It's a small detail with a big impact. Sustainability woven into the DNA of luxury. Smart luxury is about thoughtful choices at every level. Mercedes proves even the smallest components can drive positive change. That's modern luxury in action. That's our look at the most exciting luxury EVs and sustainable innovations coming in 2026. The definition of luxury is expanding. Performance, intelligence, and sustainability are all part of the package. Which model or material excites you most? Let us know in the comments. Want a deeper dive on any of these? Tell us below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more on the future of mobility. See you next time.